All right, guys. I'm by myself today. I'm gonna do a little bit of just kind of jumping around, see if the fish are biting. It's raining, as you can see. Oh, man. Whew. Had a little sneeze. But we're gonna see if them fish are biting. It's raining, and I said I ain't gonna sink for sure. Something down there swirling already. Did you see that? We're gonna go down here and catch us fish, and Logan's gonna be so mad at me, but he's at the zoo today, so he's having a good day. He deserves it. We might get a little wet today, guys. We might just get a little wet. It's pretty though, isn't it, guys? Isn't this pretty? Don't look like that Wisconsin place up there, does it? All right, let's get us a piece of this chicken up out of here if we can. Man, Mom cut some chunks of chicken, let me tell you. I didn't bring a knife. There we go. Mom believes in cutting those big old chunks of chicken. All right, guys, we're going to go with the chicken on there, just like we did last time. Make sure we're not wrapped around the pole right there. We got there was something right there, swimming big, see it? Something big right there. So they're out there, no doubt. So we're using our camouflaged bait cast. We're gonna see what we can do. Right down the middle, guys. We'll lay our line right here on top of this log. That log should actually help keep us out of the junk for sure. So we'll just let that sink and see what happens. Here we go. Hopefully. Here we go. Maybe already, guys. That was a little suspicious. That was a little suspicious how that slacked like that. I don't know. Sometimes in fish, they like it when it's raining, they'll bite. Boy, it's so pretty down here, guys. All this turning green and the water falling out of the trees, and man, it's beautiful to me. I love these kind of days. A lot better than a hot day. A lot better than a hot day any day. Hopefully we'll get down here and catch us some fish. Add to our other fish we caught. Pretty good drops of rain. I'd like to take my boat down through there. Set some limb lines. Maybe I can get Sarah to do that with me. After this rain, we go set some limb lines. She might. Don't know. Alright, guys, we're kind of going to just hang around, and if I get a bite, I'll be right back with y'all, and we'll see what we can catch out here. We're getting a bite, guys. He just slacked me up. You can see a lot right there. Slacked me up quite a bit. Hopefully he'll take it and we'll have us a fish. Whatever it is though, he slacked it up good. Now if he'll just take it, we'll be in business. Come on. Come on, big old catfish, take it. We want to catch you because we want to eat you. Come on. Take it up now. Come on, don't just slack it and tease me. He's gonna tease us, guys. Come on. Yeah, I guess he didn't like my chicken. Picked it up and dropped it. We got something on the little taste of it, guys. Will he take it? Will he take it? Will he take it? Did we get him? Oh, we didn't get... We might have got him. No? Ah, we missed that one. Dadgum, guys. Dadgum, guys. Man, oh man. We had a bite, though. We had a bite. That's all that matters. We had a bite. Dadgum it. Missed one. Logan's gonna make fun of me. Yep, there we go. See if he's gonna take it. See if he's hungry enough to take it. Hope he ain't just teasing me. I was gonna show you why they like these roads is because the worms and stuff come up out of this gravel, and they like to come in this flood water and grab those worms up in this gravel. All right, let's lay this down real quick. He's teasing me a little bit. We'll come back to him if he gets a little crazy. But the reason the catfish like this flood, you see that grass? How this grass is right there under the water? They'll get up under that and feed. They love to get up underneath that and feed. And that's why you'll catch a lot of catfish on this kind of stuff, because they do find a lot of food up in here. We got one over here pecking on this. He just, he's trying to tease me. He knew I was getting ready to do something. Hopefully he'll take it right here on the live, and y'all can see what we can catch out of here. Well, for the ocean, I would use squid or bonita. Belinda, I've never fished the ocean. I would love to do that. Yeah, I want to go ocean fishing. I told Jesse I'd like to do some pier fishing if I ever get a chance someday. That would be on one of my bucket list things, is to do some pier fishing. It's a beautiful day though, guys. I can't get over how nice it is. This is when you really need to be camping. I mean, a light rain. A lot of people say no, but yeah. I think you should camp in the light rain, the cool weather, man. Just hearing the rain pitter patter on the water and everything around me, it's just relaxing. Listen to this. Isn't that a beautiful sound out here? So peaceful. I was missing Hunter Ben with me today too. Me and him used to do a lot of these fishing trips together. Sucks that people get so jealous and so evil, you know. It's sad. It really is. You know, someday those kids grow up and they're going to see the truth, because the truth is all over the internet. And they'll see it. So frustrating though, because it robs so much from them, you know. But God talks about those who do evil to children. So it ain't my place to judge them. They're going to have their final judgment. And if you're not in our prayer group for Wide Open Adventures, go look what I dropped in there that is actually scripture about what happens to people that are mean and evil to children. They're going to pay for what they done. They might be getting away with it now, but God will have the last say. Yeah, jealousy is a very evil thing. It causes vengeance and hate and just evil. Look, oh, there, we missed it. That was a Cheeto semi. Chester Cheezer was on there. He should have stopped by here and threw me some chips. The birds are starting to get active. Oh, Polo, he's been out playing in the rain too. Polo loves the rain. If it's not raining hard, he'll go out there and play. He don't like the thunder and lightning though. He hides in his building if it thunders and lightnings. The only bad thing about the rain is everything's so wet you really couldn't have a fire because all that wood is just soaked, and everybody throws their trash down here when they fish. I hate that people do that. It's kind of frustrating, huh? Hey, Kusith. Good to see you. I haven't seen you in a while. There goes some birds flying across. All the wildlife's moving because everything's flooded. It's got everything on the move. Oh God, no, I wouldn't have Polo down here. He'd be wrapped up in my lines and he'd have my bait strung everywhere and he'd just be running crazy. He's like on that movie Barnyard. He's a Wild Mike. That's who he is. He goes crazy. I appreciate it, Q, for doing that. It is a slow day fishing though. What in the world? Can y'all see this out there in the water? Let's see if y'all can see this. There's something out there swimming. Pretty big. Let's see if y'all can see it in just a second. You see that? I don't know what that is out there. There's something out there swimming. And it's out there in the deep part too. I don't know what that was. Might have been the old dog man swimming across the pond. I don't know what that was. Well, guys, it looks like we need maybe some running water today since everything kind of dropped for a while and now it's rising again. It might have the fish kind of confused. I don't know. We got old T-Carp down here.